Relationship experts warn that many men unknowingly destroy female attraction without realizing it, sometimes in just a few seconds. And the scary part is that these mistakes are extremely common, and they silently kill attraction before a relationship even has a chance to grow. In this video, you'll discover 7 things that instantly kill female attraction, and what confident men do differently instead. And stay until number 7, because psychologists say this single behavior destroys attraction faster than almost anything else. Also, if you want science-based tips about relationships, psychology, and sexual health, subscribe now because we upload videos like this every week. Let's start with the first mistake. Many men believe attraction is mostly about looks or money, but studies in relationship psychology show that behavior and emotional signals often matter far more than appearance. In fact, many women say they can lose attraction within minutes if certain behaviors appear. You may have experienced this before. A conversation seems to be going well, the connection feels positive, but suddenly the energy changes. She becomes less engaged, less responsive, less interested, and many men walk away wondering what just happened. The truth is, attraction often depends on subtle emotional and psychological cues. When those signals are negative, interest can disappear very quickly. But the good news is that once you understand these signals, they're actually easy to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll learn 7 behaviors that instantly kill female attraction, the psychological reasons behind them, and simple ways to project confidence and emotional intelligence instead. And pay close attention to reason number 6, because many relationship experts believe this is the most overlooked attraction killer in modern dating. 7 attraction killers. 1. Thing that kills attraction: desperation. One of the fastest ways to kill attraction is desperation. When someone appears overly eager for approval or attention, it can signal low confidence. Psychologically, people are naturally drawn to partners who appear secure and emotionally balanced, but desperation often shows up as constant texting, seeking reassurance, trying too hard to impress. Instead of creating attraction, this can create pressure and discomfort. Confidence, on the other hand, communicates that someone is comfortable with themselves and their life. Ironically, attraction often grows when someone is interested but not needy. But desperation isn't the only behavior that sends the wrong signal. The next one may be even more common. 2. Thing that kills attraction: lack of confidence. Confidence is one of the strongest attraction signals in human psychology, but confidence doesn't mean arrogance. It simply means being comfortable with who you are. When someone constantly doubts themselves, it can create a sense of uncertainty in the interaction. Examples include constantly apologizing, over-explaining simple things, putting themselves down. This can unintentionally signal insecurity. True confidence is usually expressed through calm body language, clear communication, and emotional stability. And this type of confidence tends to be far more attractive than trying too hard to impress. But the next mistake might be the one many people accidentally make during conversations. 3. Thing that kills attraction: poor listening. Communication is one of the strongest foundations of attraction. But many people focus so much on what they want to say next that they stop actually listening. When someone feels unheard or ignored, emotional connection quickly disappears. Poor listening often looks like interrupting frequently, changing the topic back to yourself, not remembering details from previous conversations. On the other hand, active listening builds connection. Simple behaviors like maintaining eye contact, asking thoughtful questions, remembering small details show genuine interest and emotional awareness. But the next attraction killer has more to do with personal habits than conversation. 4. Thing that kills attraction: poor self-care. Physical appearance is only one part of attraction, but basic self-care habits still play an important role. Poor hygiene or neglecting personal appearance can immediately reduce attraction. This may include poor grooming, messy clothing, unpleasant body odor, lack of basic health habits. Taking care of your health and appearance sends a powerful signal of self-respect and discipline, and people are naturally attracted to individuals who take care of themselves. But halfway through this list, we need to talk about something even more powerful than appearance. Many people think attraction is mostly about external factors like looks or money, but psychological research suggests that emotional behavior plays an even bigger role. The way someone communicates, manages emotions, and interacts with others can strongly influence attraction. And the next reason may be the biggest emotional mistake people make in relationships. 5. Thing that kills attraction: negativity. Constant negativity can quickly drain attraction from any interaction. When someone frequently complains or focuses on problems, it creates a heavy emotional atmosphere. Examples include criticizing others constantly, complaining about everything, expressing pessimistic views about life. While everyone has bad days, consistent negativity can make interactions feel exhausting. Positive energy, on the other hand, tends to make people feel relaxed, happy, emotionally safe, and these feelings naturally increase attraction. But the next attraction killer may be something many people don't even notice they're doing. 6. Thing that kills attraction: lack of purpose. People are naturally drawn to individuals who have direction and ambition in life. This doesn't necessarily mean wealth or status. It means having goals, passions, and personal growth. When someone appears aimless or unmotivated, attraction can fade quickly. Purpose signals traits like discipline, self-improvement, emotional maturity. These qualities often make someone more interesting and inspiring to be around. But the final attraction killer might be the most damaging one of all, and many relationships fail because of it. 7. Thing that kills attraction: disrespect. Nothing destroys attraction faster than disrespectful behavior. Disrespect can appear in subtle ways, such as dismissing someone's opinions, making hurtful jokes, ignoring boundaries, speaking aggressively. Respect is the foundation of trust and emotional safety. Without it, attraction rarely survives for long. Healthy relationships grow when both partners feel valued, heard, and appreciated. And once respect disappears, rebuilding attraction becomes extremely difficult. But knowing these attraction killers is half the solution. Let's talk about what actually builds attraction instead. Here are 5 simple behaviors that help build healthy attraction. 1. Develop genuine confidence. Confidence grows from self-improvement and self-acceptance. Working on your skills, health, and mindset naturally builds confidence over time. 2. Improve communication skills. Good communication creates emotional connection. Listening carefully and responding thoughtfully can make conversations far more engaging. 3. Maintain healthy habits. Taking care of your health through exercise, proper grooming, and good sleep helps you feel more confident and energetic. 4. Focus on personal growth. Setting goals and pursuing interests makes you more interesting and fulfilled. People are often attracted to individuals who are growing and evolving. 5. Show respect and appreciation. Respect is one of the most powerful attraction signals. Simple actions like listening attentively, valuing opinions, and expressing gratitude create stronger emotional bonds. If these attraction-killing behaviors continue over time, relationships can slowly lose their emotional connection. Partners may begin to feel distant, frustrated, misunderstood. But when people become aware of these patterns and work to improve them, relationships often become much stronger and more fulfilling. The key is recognizing these habits before they damage the connection. So remember, the 7 things that can instantly kill female attraction include desperation, lack of confidence, poor listening, poor self-care, constant negativity, lack of purpose, disrespect. Avoiding these behaviors and focusing on confidence, communication, and respect can dramatically improve connection and attraction. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more science-based relationship and health advice. And comment below, which of these attraction killers do you think people notice the most? Your answer might help someone else watching this video.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.